Google just released a feature inside NotebookLM that turns local business data into keyword strategies most SEO platforms miss entirely, and the tool costs nothing to run. I am talking about search terms people actually type when they are ready to buy, pulled straight from the market you are targeting, not volume guesses. Real intent patterns, and I'm going to show you the exact prompt configuration that makes this output look like a professional deliverable every single time. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I help people build real service businesses using free AI tools instead of expensive software stacks. And what I am about to walk you through is something most solo operators do not know exists yet. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the problem. Most keyword research platforms charge you somewhere between $99 and $120 every single month. And if you are just starting to offer local SEO services, that subscription starts before your first client check clears. You are paying for data you hope turns into revenue. That is the subscription tax, and it hits hardest when you have not made a dollar yet. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $120 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like NotebookLM matter. And it is funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. What if you could pull the same high-intent local keywords without handing over your card details first? That is what I am calling the grounded intent framework. Google built this capability into NotebookLM, and almost nobody is using it for client work yet. Here is how it works. Instead of relying on broad search volume estimates from a paid platform, you feed NotebookLM real local market data. Business listings, review content, competitor website copy, even social posts from the area you are targeting. Then you use its source grounding feature to extract the actual language patterns people use when they are searching in that market. It sounds technical. It is not. You are just letting the tool find what paid platforms average out and miss. Let me show you what this looks like. You are running local SEO for a roofing company in Austin. You pull the top 20 competitor Google business profile listings in that city. You grab their descriptions, their most recent reviews, their FAQ sections. You drop all of that into NotebookLM as sources. Now you ask it to identify the specific phrases customers use when they are describing a roofing problem or searching for a solution in that exact market. NotebookLM reads through everything you uploaded and starts pulling language. Emergency roof repair near me. Hail damage roof inspection, Austin. Flat roof leak repair, same day. These are not volumetrics. These are the actual words people type when their roof is leaking and they need someone today. That is intent. And here is what just changed for someone offering local SEO to contractors. 1 session, 20 competitor profiles analyzed, every high intent search phrase identified across that market. That research used to require a paid SEO platform subscription and 3 hours of manual filtering. With NotebookLM, it takes 30 minutes, and the tool costs nothing. That is a $300 keyword strategy deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let us keep building. You can take this even deeper. Once you have those initial phrases, you ask NotebookLM to cross-reference them against seasonal patterns pulled from the review data. People mention hail in April and May. They mention ice dams in January. You now have a 12-month content calendar mapped to real local search behavior. That is the kind of insight most platforms lock behind their highest tier plans. Here, you just uploaded the right sources. Now here is where this gets actually useful for someone running a real service business. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one formatting step you have to handle first, or it looks like raw AI output. I am walking you through that in the next 60 seconds. Think about a local HVAC company. They want to rank for service calls in their city. You use this same workflow. You pull competitor data from Google Maps, you upload it to NotebookLM, you ask for high-intent search phrases tied to emergency service, seasonal demand, and equipment replacement. The tool gives you a list, but here is what most people miss. You need to organize that list by intent level and estimated conversion value, not just keyword difficulty. That is what separates a keyword report someone pays you $300 for from a list someone could have pulled themselves. So you ask NotebookLM one more question. You tell it to rank those phrases by urgency level based on the language patterns in the reviews. AC not working ranks higher than AC maintenance near me because one is an emergency and one is not. Now you have a prioritized keyword strategy that shows the client exactly what to target first. That output is client ready, and most SEO platforms in this space charge you monthly just to access the data you need to build something like that. Your version costs $0. Here is what that actually means for someone running local SEO services. A dentist wants more new patient bookings through search. You charge them $400 a month for an SEO retainer. Part of that retainer is keyword research and content strategy. Normally, you would need a SEMrush or Ahrefs subscription, $120 a month, to pull competitive keyword data, search trends, and content gaps. That is overhead eating into your margin before you have even delivered the work. With NotebookLM, you skip the subscription entirely. You upload local competitor data. You pull the high intent terms. You build the strategy. You deliver the same result without the software cost. That $400 retainer stays profit. The tool enables you to offer the service without the subscription tax. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what this looks like in the real world. A solo operator picks up a client, a local plumber who wants to show up when someone searches for emergency plumbing in their area. They have no SEO background. They do not own a keyword tool subscription. They use the grounded intent framework. They pull 20 Google business profiles from competing plumbers in that city. They upload the data to NotebookLM. They ask for search phrases tied to emergency service, after-hours calls, and specific plumbing problems mentioned in reviews. The tool delivers a list of 20 high-intent keywords ranked by urgency. Burst pipe repair near me midnight. Emergency plumber open now. Water heater leak same-day service. They hand that to the client with a content plan mapped to those exact phrases. The client starts ranking for terms that drive actual service calls. That solo operator charged $300 for the keyword strategy and never paid for a software subscription to build it. The entire stack ran for free. That is the point. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The formatting move that makes this look like a professional deliverable instead of raw AI output. When you get your keyword list from NotebookLM, you ask it one final question. You say, organize these keywords into 3 tiers: emergency intent, active research, and general awareness, and include an estimated search behavior note for each based on the review language patterns. That instruction gives you a tiered keyword matrix that shows the client exactly what each phrase means in terms of customer behavior. Burst pipe repair near me midnight goes in tier 1 with a note that says immediate need, high conversion likelihood, after hours urgency. That is a deliverable someone pays you for, not a spreadsheet someone ignores. Imagine what your next 30 days look like. Once you have this running in your stack, you are offering local SEO to contractors, home service providers, healthcare practices. Every new client gets a keyword strategy built through the grounded intent framework. You are not paying SEMrush $120 a month. You are not waiting on a tool to process bulk data. You upload competitor sources to NotebookLM. You pull the high intent terms, you deliver the strategy. You charge $300 to $400 per client for that research. The margins stay clean because the infrastructure costs nothing. That is what changes when you build your service business on free tools instead of the subscription stack. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.